Namaste, myself Dr. Deepa. Today I am going to explain about tennis elbow. What is tennis elbow? The name only indicates a repetitive continuous process is brings some sort of pain or swelling in our tendons in our hands. So that disease is called as tennis elbow. Our muscles and bones are connected to the tendons in this area. So heavy pain in this tendon area or inflammation in those area is called as tennis elbow. Next we can see for whom this disease will affect more. Maybe tennis players, cricket players, or one who are doing the repetitive procedure for many times, or if we are doing acute or if we are lifting any heavy objects, or if we are doing some continuous work for many hours or many days, then it will cause tennis elbow. So how it starts, maybe it starts with a mild pain and it will increase later. For some people it will increase in it will start within a day, like that also. So you can't drink one cup of glass even if you are having pain in your tendon area. You can just take that cup of tea, and if you're reaching here, then you will get severe pain in this area in the tennis elbow cases. And while we doing some household things in our kitchen, like coconut grating or frying something, for so many repetitive procedures, or for so many time, if we are doing same work, it will increase this pain. Or if we are squeezing some clothes or something like that, in those conditions it will increase more. So symptoms are you will get pain and swelling in this area, and it will affect the whole hand. And these are the symptoms. It will increase at the night time. So what we can do in Ayurveda for tennis elbow, it will take 3 to 4 months for clearing the tennis elbow. So if you are doing some work, repetitive work, and you get affected with tennis elbow, the best option sorry, the best option is to take rest. Next is you can apply Ayurvedic oils. Many oils are very helpful in for the tennis elbow condition. Prasaranyati, Tel, Muruvenna. Many oils are there. So all those things you can be consult nearby doctor, Ayurvedic doctor, and you can do the all treatment. Next is in house. You can do some hot packs or cold packs, or something. It will also be helpful if it is more swelling is there. You can avoid these things, but other than that, if you are getting pain, you can do all these things in the home. Take some til tail. It is very helpful. In the til tail you can add some crushed garlic, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, and some 10 to 15 ajwain, and just heat the oil, and you can apply that oil in this area. Then it will be getting very relief for your pain. Like that, you can do some you can take some castor oil leaves, and just heat it and dip in some Ayurvedic oils, which is recommended, especially recommended for the tennis elbow. And you just cover the castor oil leaf here in your this tendon area. It will be very helpful to reduce the inflammation or pain in the tennis elbow cases. Otherwise, you can do just cut these castor oil leaves along with that. So some other ingredients also will be added, and you just make hot, and you can make a pottery with all these medicines, and you can just give a hot fermentation with those potteries. It will also be very helpful for your tennis elbow. And physiotherapy is very helpful. Exercises will helpful. Some specific exercises are there for your tennis elbow cases. And tennis elbow brace is also helpful for the decreasing the pain. And in severe cases it will leads to surgery and all, but you can prevent by the Ayurvedic medicines. So these are the details about tennis elbow. If you are having any doubt, please do make it drop in comment box. Thank you.